Good morning, student. Myself, S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Dan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to start a new chapter from Math First, chapter number 4, Financial Planning. In this financial planning, GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. In this tax, included the excise duty, custom duty, VAT, entertainment tax, central sale tax, service tax, octroi. All these taxes are included in this GST. Now GST is started or GST is in effect from the 1st July 2017. Now GST is having two components, that is the CGST and SGST are the two components of the GST. CGST stands for Central Goods and Service Tax. This tax is paid to the central government, and SGST stands for State Goods and Service Tax. This tax is paid to the state government. Now GSTIN means goods and service tax identification number. This number is having 15 alphanumeric digits. This number is given to the dealer. Now HSN code means harmonized nomenclature, harmonized system of nomenclature. Now SAC, service accounting code. This code is used for the account at the time of accounting. Now see the example. On a certain article, if the rate of GST is CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST? What is the rate of GST? Now in this example, they are given one of the article, and they given the rate of GST. From this we must find out the GST. They are given the rate of CGST. From this we must find out the GST and SGST. Answer is that the rate of SGST equal to the rate of CGST, means the state government GST and central government GST both are the same. The rate of GST CGST is given 9%, so we write down the rate of SGST equal to 9%, CGST equal to SGST. So we write down 9%. The rate of GST. These are the two parts of this GST, means sum of these two we get the GST. Means write down SGST plus CGST equal to 9% plus 9% equal to 18%. In this way we find out the GST and also we find out the SGST. Take another example. The total value with GST of a remote control toy car is rupees 1770. The rate of GST is 18% on toys. Find the taxable value and CGST and SGST for this toy car. Solution. Now we consider here the taxable value. This value is the total value with GST. The taxable value of toy car be the rupees X. Now find out the GST on this X. GST on taxable value equal to taxable value into the percentage of GST. X into 18 by 100, that is the 18x divided by 100. The total value with GST means this value equal to sum of the taxable value plus GST on the taxable value means x plus 18x divided by 100. Sum of this 2 means 100 into x, 100x, 1 into 18. X is 18x divided by 1 into 100. Then we get here 1770, that is the total value with GST equal to 100x plus 18x, we get 118x divided by 100, and this 1770 as it is. Then x equal to this 100 goes to the right side and multiply to the 1770, and this 180 goes to the right side and divide it. Then write down here 1770 into 100 divided by 118 equal to 1500. In this way we find the value of taxable value of the car. Now find out the GST on the taxable value. GST equal to taxable value into percentage of GST. 1500 into 18 divided by 100, we get 270. Then CGST equal to SGST equal to 270 divided by 2 means half of this. We get 135 rupees. In this way we find out the CGST, SGST and GST on the tie. Also find the value of the taxable value of the tie. Good day, goodbye, okay.